Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If I could wear these sneakers 24 hours a day, I think I would. They are so comfortable. This is an awesome pair of skater style sneakers and it's from Somiliss, and I absolutely am in love with how comfortable they are and how well made they are. They are a platform style sneaker and you got almost about 2 inches of platform height on them. So they look really cool and make you feel tall when you're walking. But in addition, the great leather materials as well as a super soft and cushiony sole make these sneakers so comfortable. I really like the nice detailing on the top. You can see that they're well made and well stitched, so they feel really durable. They definitely have a very modern look and a modern feel to them. I really like that on the back they put this text that says "Why more?" And really, when you're wearing these shoes, you really don't feel like you need any more than these. They feel very fun and trendy, but at the same time, honestly, they are so comfortable and easy to wear. I wore them just on a regular walk, so despite not being an athletic style shoe, they are really, really comfortable and great with the heel impact thanks to that great cushion. These sneakers are so well made, it was very surprising at how much that I fall in love with them, and you will as well. But that's just my point of view.